Lost your Harbor Breeze fan remote? No problem. There are simple manual ways to turn off your fan without needing the remote control. The primary way to turn off your Harbor Breeze fan is using the pull chains. Most Harbor Breeze fans have pull chains that control both the fan speed and the on-off function. Here's how to use the pull chains. First, gently pull the fan chain. The chain will cycle through different speed settings. Continue pulling until the fan turns off completely. Watch this demonstration of the pull chain process. Each gentle pull changes the fan speed until it finally turns off. If your Harbor Breeze fan is connected to a wall switch, you can also use this to turn the fan on and off. However, wall switches usually won't allow you to control the fan speed. This wiring diagram shows how a typical Harbor Breeze fan connects to a wall switch. The switch controls power to the fan, providing a simple on-off function. To summarize, pull chains are your primary method for turning off a Harbor Breeze fan without a remote. They cycle through speeds until the fan turns off. Wall switches provide an alternative on-off method, but typically don't control speed. When basic manual controls aren't working, several advanced troubleshooting steps can help resolve the issue. Let's start with the most common problem. First, locate your home's electrical panel and find the circuit breaker that controls your ceiling fan. If the breaker has tripped, it will be in the middle position or completely off. Reset it by switching it fully off, then back on. For advanced users comfortable with electrical work, bypassing the remote receiver is possible. However, this requires extreme caution and should only be attempted with the power completely shut off at the circuit breaker. The process involves removing the remote receiver and connecting the fan's wires directly to your home's electrical wiring. This eliminates remote control functionality, but allows standard wall switch operation. A modern alternative is installing a smart switch, which provides smartphone and voice control capabilities. Smart switches replace your existing wall switch and connect to your home's Wi-Fi network. Smart switches offer convenient features like scheduling, remote access, and integration with home automation systems. Installation follows standard switch wiring procedures. If your fan light isn't working, the remote receiver may be faulty. Testing with a multimeter can help diagnose electrical issues, but this requires technical knowledge and proper safety precautions. Professional testing equipment like multimeters can identify broken connections, faulty receivers, or wiring issues. However, electrical troubleshooting requires experience and safety knowledge. Remember these important safety guidelines. Always consult your fan's manual for model-specific instructions, turn off power at the circuit breaker before any electrical work, and contact a professional electrician if you're uncomfortable with any of these procedures.